Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to today's session. So today we are going to learn Hedwig's theme from the movie Harry Potter. So it's a very beautiful music composed by legendary John Williams. If you don't know about John Williams, then you probably should, because John Williams is a very famous music composer who has composed for Harry Potter, Star Wars, Jurassic Park and Indiana Jones. So all the famous movies that you know, all the background score that you know is composed by this guy called John Williams. So I'll highly suggest you to look it up on the internet. Alright, so let me just play this once for you. So it will sound something like this. Let me just move this here. Yeah. Okay, this is the first line, then you continue. Okay. So it's very simple. So let's go line by line and let's learn this. Quickly give me a second to correct my timer. And perfect. So this music is very simple rhythmically, but it's little bit difficult in terms of the notes. So there are lots of notes and there's lots of notes which are out of the scale, so not an ordinary notes, so you have to pay a lot of attention here. So let's start from the first line, the yellow color. So you start from the 0 on the B string, that is open B string. Okay, you play it once, then you move to the E string open, right? So very simple, B string open and then E string open, right? This last two string you have to play. Sorry. Okay, then you continue on the E string and you play fret number 3, 2 and 0 on E string. So that is B0, E0 and then E3, 2, 0. And the rhythm for these 5 notes, the yellow colored one, goes like this. Now, of course, I played it very slow, but you have to play it slightly faster than this. Right? Okay, so very simple. Then you continue on the E string. After this, you take your third finger and slide it all the way to the 7th fret. Okay, you can look where 7th fret is, or you can remember very easily, just look at the dots. Your first dot should be on 3rd string, but many guitar manufacturers don't put dot on the 3rd string. So your guitar might or might not have dot on the 3rd string, but most of them would have. So you have a dot on 3, dot on 5 and dot on 7. So just look for it. On this 3rd dot, you start with the 3rd finger on the E string, the 1st string of your guitar, and you go 7, 5 with 3rd and 1st finger. Very simple. After that, take your 1st finger and slide it back all the way to the 2nd fret. So the green part will sound like this. Just 3 notes, 7, 5 and then come back to 2. So nice and slow, let's do the first line. Let me just play it once for you. So just hear how it should sound. Okay, now try to play this with me. I play it very slow. So here we go. One more time. Here we go. Let's do this one last time. Here we go. If you're having trouble in this, just practice this. It's not that difficult to do fine. Then we move on to the second line. Now this song is mostly on these two strings, and occasionally you play the third string, but this whole tune is mostly situated on just last two strings, E and D. So keep that in mind. Just concentrate on the last two strings. Most of it is here only. Then you start from the E string again. We are doing the blue part now. Let me play it once for you. It will sound like this. I just played the blue and the red part. So let's start with the blue. As you can see, it's very simple. Is fret number 0, 3 and 2 on the E string. Okay, but here's the thing. Don't do that with your third and second finger. Do this with your second and first, because after this you have to play 4 here, and if you are not too good with your fourth finger, so I'll suggest 0 and this 3 to do with the second and first finger. After that you take your third finger and put it on 4th fret of the B string, B for ball. So 0, 3, 2 on the E and 4 on the B. Very simple. Now let's move on to the red part. You start again on the E string, the first string of your guitar, and you play first fret with the first finger. And after that it's very simple. You play B string open once, G string open once, and again B string open once. The open string basically means play nothing. And I just leave this hand open. So 1 on E, then 0, 0, 0 on B string, G string, and again on B string. So the whole red part, these 4 notes will sound like this. So let's practice the blue and red together. I'll play for you one time, just hear it out. Now let's do this. Try to play alongside me. 1, 2, 3. Second time, here we go. Okay, one last time. Here we go. Right. So far we have done this much. Now let's move on to the next part, that is the yellow color again. So let me just scroll this down very quick. There we go. Oops. Yeah. So now you again start with the 0 on B, 0 on E, and then 3 to 0. So this part is exactly same as this yellow color. As you can see, this one and this one are exactly the same. There is no difference in it. So let's not waste much time on it, because it is the same thing, right? So again you go 0 on B, 0 on E, and then 3 to 0. just as the first line. Okay, then let's move on to the next part. Okay, let me just quickly move this timer thing here. Better. Alright, so after that, this thing is same as the previous line. Then you move to the 7th fret, but this time don't move your third finger. This time we'll move it above first finger, right? So the yellow part, then take your first finger and move it all the way till 7th fret. Again 7th fret is the third dot or the second dot, depends on your guitar. So let me just play this part for you. Okay, so after this, first finger, drag it all the way on the 7th fret, and you do this very simple line, the green part we are doing now. So it's a chromatic descending line. You start from the 7th fret, then put your 4th finger on the fret number 10. Okay, this is the fret number 10. And then you move one fret down to the 9, and then one fret down to the 8. So it's 7, and then 10, 9, 8. Just a chromatic descending line. It's very simple. The green part will sound like this. Okay. Then we come to the 4th fret. And here we play the fret number 8. Right, so you go fret number 4 here, and then you jump to the fret number 8, and then you do 7, 6. And in the end you do 3 on the G string. So then this part comes. So I know it's a little bit complicated to understand for the beginner, so I'll tell you again. Sorry. Then 7, 10, 9, 8. Then move your hand to the 4th, play this one note, and then descending line from 8, 8, 7, 6, and then 3. So nice and slow. So this line is little bit difficult, so let's concentrate on this for a moment. Just put your first finger on 7, do with me. Then you can use 4th or you can use 3rd finger, depends on you. And then just come back from 10. Remember it like this. Then fret number 4, and then come back from 8. And then 3 on the G. Right, so remember it like this. 7, come down from 10, then 4, and come down from 8, and then this last simple note. Now the challenge is to play this continuously. Sorry. Okay. Right. After that, we start with the 3rd fret on the E string, and then 0 on E, 0 on B, and 0 on E again. Right. So it is 3-0 on the E string, then 0 on B and 0 on E. We are doing the rate part if you haven't got it. So one last time, starting from the yellow. Yellow part, the green part 7, come back from 10. The blue part, fret number 4, come back from 8 and fret number 3 here. Then 3 0 on E and then 0 on B, 0 on E. So let me play for you one time with up to speed. Up to speed it will sound like this. But if you are a beginner, it will take you a long time to achieve this speed, but you can start slow, that's okay. So just play this thrice, okay, with me. We'll do it slow. One, so here we go. Again, here we go. Let's do it one last time. Okay, now we come to the next part. Just practice this, you'll get it. Now let's start from the yellow part. So as you can see, first yellow part is written on the first line and then the second part of it is written on the second line. So starting from the yellow color, it will sound like this. Okay, so I played yellow, orange and green. So let's start with the yellow. So it's very simple. After you did this, you take your first finger, sorry, second finger, and you come back to your fret number 8. It's not on the E, fret number 8 on the B string, your second string. B for ball, fret number 8. It will be next to this dot, next to the third dot. And you do this very simple line. You play this 8 once on B and then 7 on E, like this. See, just these two fingers, 8 here and 7 here, 8 and 7. Okay, so this is the yellow colored one. Just two notes, 8 on B, 7 on E. The yellow color is done. Now the orange color is exactly same like the yellow one. You do this exact same thing one more time. Okay, so this is twice. Okay, so we did yellow and orange. Now let's move on to the green. For green, you have to play this 8. And now a very simple descending line. 8, 7, 6 on the green. So remember it like this. 8 on B and then 8, 7, 6. Again same thing as the previous one. It's just a chromatic descending line down from the 8. So 8, 7 yellow, 8, 7 orange. Then for the green, 8 on B and then go down from the 8 of the E. Just 3 notes down. So this whole thing will sound like this. Okay, listen to the rhythm. One last time. Okay. Then we get to the 7th fret of the B string. We came to the blue color now. This last part. So after you have done this, you come to the 7th fret on the B string. Again the third dot, and you play 7 and 8. Right, just two notes, fret number 7 and fret number 8 on the B string, and then 7 and 6. So here you are going forward 7 and 8. You move one string down and you go 7 and 6. Got it? 7 and 8 on B, 7 and 6 on E, and then third fret on the G string. Now just try to play this in the rhythm. Okay. One last time, very slow. After that you come to the red part. Now the red part of the previous line and this line is exactly the same, so we'll not waste more time on it. You just do 3-0 on the E, and then 0 on B, 0 on E. Okay, so the red part is same as the previous one. So starting from the yellow of first line to the red of second line, this whole thing will sound like this. Got it? Let's play it 3 times but with a slower tempo. So here we go. One more time. Let's do it one last time. Right. So play it fast and it will sound like this. Now let's get to the last line of the song. So again, after this, okay. After that we came to the yellow part again. Now this time again you get to the fret number 8 and you do the same thing. Alright, so this is same as the previous line. 8 on B and 7 on E. You repeat this one more time. Right. So the yellow and orange color, as you can see, is same as the previous line. This part is same, but after that this changes. So let me just play you this whole line. So that's the only difference. The latter part is different, but the beginning is the same. So let's do this. 8 on B, 7 on E, the yellow color. Then 8 on B, 7 on E again, the orange color. Right, so yellow and orange. same as the previous line. Then you get to the 8 on the B. Oh, we are doing the green color now. 8 on the B, and then this very simple descending line 10 9 8, just like in the beginning, right? So remember it like this: 8 7 8 7 8 on B, and then come down from 10. Okay, remember it like this: 8 on B and come down from 10. Okay, so the yellow, orange and green. This much we have done. Now let's move to the blue part. The blue part will sound like this. Okay, so after the green, you play 9 on the B string, B for ball. Okay, and then you go descending from 8 on the B string. So remember it like this: 9 on the B, and then go down from the 8th fret of the E string. So B9 and go down from the E8. B9, go down from the E8. And then again 3 on the G string. This is simple, just 3rd fret on the G string. So this blue line, alright. So let me play the whole thing from yellow color, and I'll tell you along the way. So you go 8 7, again 8 7, 8 on B, move down from 10, 9 on B, move down from 8, and then 3 on G. Okay, and then in the end you just do the same thing, 3 0, that's all, and you end here. Okay, so it's just 3 0 on the E string. Got it? And then just 3 0 on the E string, and your song ends there. So let's practice this, the last line. Okay, do it slow with me. Here we go. Oh, sorry, my bad. Here we go. One more time with me. Here we go. 8 7 8, down from 10, 9, down from 8. Let's do it one last time. 1 2 3. So this whole latter part will sound like this from the first line. Alright. So now let me just play you the whole thing once. Alright. Let me just enable the auto scroll, and let's go very slow. So this is your beginning. Yellow color, let me just enable the auto scroll faster. Then the blue color, yellow, blue, came to the yellow, that's it. So I hope you have learned something today. So all I want you to do is just practice this till the next class, and we'll continue with some other song on next Sunday. Now again, as usual, I'll share this link in our WhatsApp group, and there will be a YouTube link for this. As you know, this will be uploaded on YouTube, and in the YouTube description you can find the link for this PDF. Okay, alright, so I'll see you in the next class. Till then, keep practicing, and do not forget to download the notes from YouTube. Okay, bye bye.